In this guide, we'll explore the process of creating a tailored Windows 10 or 11 template on Azure, optimized for seamless integration with Workspot. Let's dive in. Begin by logging into Workspot control using your account. Navigate to the top of the page, click on Setup, and select the Azure public cloud you've previously set up. Click on Build Template. Specify the network in the desired region for deploying this template. You have the option to build either a Windows Desktop or a Windows Server template. For this tutorial, we'll opt for a Windows Desktop template. Select the Windows 10 or Windows 11 version for this template. Provide a name for the template and choose the template VM. In this tutorial, we'll go with the standard VM. Optionally, enter information in the Notes field and then click Create Template. Complete the required details for each field and click OK. Fill in the necessary information to create a local admin account for this template and then click OK. Workspot control will initiate the template provisioning process in Azure. After a few minutes, the template status will display as Draft. Utilize Remote Desktop Protocol, RDP, to connect to the template while in draft mode and configure it according to your preferences. Once customization is complete, under the Actions menu you can select Preview to test your template or choose Publish when ready for production. The template is ready for use once the status field indicates Published.